Hey, it's Jeff Summers with Watch You Know, and today an unboxing of the Tissot Couturier. Reference number T0354071.03. All right, got my trusty knife, so let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. It's always exciting with any unboxing because you don't know exactly what to expect. Okay. Here we go. Tissot. All right. There's some tape here. Let's get the old knife out. And all right, so now I think we got, okay, here we go. There's our standard Tissot box. You get this when you buy Tissot. These books here, and if you've seen any of my other unboxings on Tissot, you'll know that you get this book on the Tissot history, all right? And then also a catalog. The Tissot Couturier Day Date. Dun 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 dun. Voila. And there you have it. Ooh. All right, let's open this baby up. All right. All right, here we go. They do give you this, what this, I guess it's a bag to put it in. Looks like it's like a carry bag. As it opens up, let's check this out.
Let's take this plastic off. And let's see what we have here. Oh wow, look at that. Give it a wind. Get it going and then
Give you a nice close up there. All right, and show you the back of the watch. You can see the movement. Now, of course, we have a little sticker there. It also has this really nice watch band, and with a deployment clasp, as you can see. I will be doing a full review of this watch in about a week or two, but just let me give you some of the basics. A 39 millimeter in diameter watch. It is 10.8 millimeters tall. Black dial, and we have the day on the top and the date on the bottom. Silver hands. The watch is made of stainless steel, and parts of it are brushed and parts aren't. So if you look at the lugs, the top of the lugs are brushed, polished. Sides and the bezel is polished as well. It has kind of a quasi Art Deco design. Watch crystal is sapphire. It is water resistant up to 100 meters. And of course it has a display case showing off the Powermatic 80 movement. Let me give you a better look of this. Take this sticker off. So here's a better view of the movement. The watch goes for $700 on the Tissot website. You can pick it up on Joma Shop for $299. And on Amazon, it'll run you around $329. There is the Tissot Day Date Couturier, and be on the lookout again for my review of this watch in about a week or two.